This is a brief video of our 1998 Fadal VMC-8030, and we're going to start the spindle at 500 RPMs. We're going to go to 2000 now. Now we're going to go to 3000 RPM. That'll initiate a gear change. Here's 5000 RPM, 7500 RPM, and top speed 10,000 RPM. And here's a quick tool change. Do one more really quick here. Okay, now we'll do jogging the table here. We'll do X first. Now we'll do Y-axis. That's just chips in the cover. We're cleaning it still. And we'll do Z-axis now. And that's pretty much all the features. Do a quick look on the inside here. Control face. Tool changer. And that's it.